Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So I was guys, I was supposed to get ready. Actually, I was going to do a full glam makeup updated makeup video for you guys today, but you know what, I set everything, and then when I pressed record, power went off and I couldn't film because I didn't have light and all that. So I was actually in my sitting room doing this makeup and I lost the morale. Okay, so now just when I was getting done with it, guess what, power came back and I'm like, what is this? I don't know. So I'm getting ready to go to I'm going to town. Actually, I'm going to Arena Mall at which restaurant? Middle East restaurant. I'm going to meet someone. We're going to meet for the first time, and we've been talking. She's a girl and she's doing fashion. Talking of fashion, I'm dressed by Premium Glam. This is going to be my outfit. I'm going to show you the full outfit, the full one. Like, it is a two-piece, and guys, I love it. Like, look at the details, look at how neat it is. So dressed by Premium Glam, and if you want such outfits, such clothes, I hope I find a good spot there so that I can take some good pictures. So yeah, I was almost done. I didn't want to do, because I wanted to do something really good, and power ruined my plans. And so right now I'm just going to go with this. I'm going to wear a wig. I think I'm going to do an afro wig. This is my hair. I think it has grown, but I'm not going to unplait it now because I don't feel like doing so. Okay, so whether I should, I'm just here debating whether I should go with lip gloss or I should do some lips, because this makeup I've done. Telling you guys, I'm going to meet Michelle. She's doing fashion. Actually, she's not a YouTuber, but she's doing fashion, and we're going to talk about certain things, a few things, and I'll be keeping you updated. I think I love this maroon. So let me do my lips because I can't do it when I'm talking. So I'm going to go with that. Let me put on my wig and then I show you the whole outfit, okay? So guys, this is how the top is looking like. I love it. I really love it. So you can even style this on pants, like normal pants. You see that? So I'm just putting on a biker, but it looks like behind, and I think it is really nice. Come close and you see the details. So look at her neck. that is how the neck is looking like. It is really so neat, very neat. Look at the finishing, guys. It is very, very, very neat. And yeah, so this is the pants. I'm going to wear the pants and you see how it's going to fit. So I'm rushing, guys, but this is my outfit. Hope you can see it well. This is my outfit, full outfit. How do you feel about it? Like, it's nice. It's really, really nice. Yeah. So let me go. See you when I come back. So guys, I've reached and I'm actually going up there. That's where I'm going. But I'm going to pass this side because why not? So the person I'm going to meet up with is already there. I think I'm late by 10 minutes, but it's okay. So after there, I went somewhere. I went to 3 hotels and I was checking out their beds and rooms and services because I have my Kenyan friends who are coming and I'm trying to secure some accommodation for them so that they don't suffer when they come.